Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Matic PB314 ECAP.130. This is an end cap for their 1690 and 1790 series devices. And this video will serve primarily as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. There are links below this video to the parts manual, which we'll take a look at. But here's the end cap. This is a cast piece of material. It could be zinc. It's heavy and dense. It feels too heavy for aluminum, absolutely. So it very likely is zinc, which makes it dense, makes it heavy, will afford a fine finish as well. It's an end cap, so not too crucial. About 2 7/16 overall height. The overall depth of the unit, about 2 1/8. The thickness of the unit, about 13/16. It will come with its mounting bracket. This is obviously what's going to go to the door, the face of the door. Okay, your end cap is going to mount basically over this. So the mounting plate keeps the device onto the face of the door. And that plate is set back a little bit here because it will actually slide underneath the back side of the chassis rail. And then, of course, your end... I'll be doing that. Okay, sorry, I was confused. And then, of course, your end plate, your end cap, is going to screw right to the end of the chassis itself. Okay? You're going to have the two zinc machine screws for attaching the end cap, the mounting plate to the door, and then your screws for mounting the end cap to the aluminum extrusion will then come next. Okay. Now there is a link below this video. There are links below this video to the 1690 and 1790 series devices. And let's take a look at those. And the reason that that's helpful is because it will allow you to review all of the possible items. Let's just look at the 16. What are we dealing with here? The 1690 is the vertical rod. 1790 is the rim. Let's take a look at the vertical rod. And that will just pull up a parts diagram that you'll be able to not only see graphically the items that you may or may not need, or items that you may need, but other items that you might need as well. Get those part numbers and then populate them back into the site. So it's a really great document. You might say, oh, I need the end cap. Or maybe you're not looking for the end cap at all. You might need the pinion cam, part number 8. That is sold all the time. That PB5, I think that part number is. Yeah, PB5. The pinion cam, the rack, part number 9, the rod retractor is what it's called. That's a common item as well. The Matic devices are considered, they're certainly grade 1, but they are installed on aluminum storefronts all the time. And those doors, obviously the exterior doors of a building, are going to get tons of use. So your Matic items are always devices that people are buying parts for. And I don't believe it's because of a substandard scenario regarding the device itself. I think those doors just get a lot of use. Being able to get your hands on replacement parts is super crucial. And not only getting a replacement parts to keep your device working correctly. Exit devices are code required, mandated pieces of equipment. But Matic is backed by Allegion, who also has Falcon exit devices, Von Duprin exit devices. They're all the same folks in a tech support department. So when you have Matic, you've got great tech support, you've got published parts drawings, and you have availability of parts. A lot of these parts are generally kept in stock. Any questions on the Matic, their part number PB314, this is the end cap, or any other Matic product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.